Hey guys, on this 85 we're going to do take two, trying to troubleshoot my pistol slash SBR build here. If you watched my first video, I had some failure to ejects, some failure to feeds. So what I went ahead and did is I switched out my bolt carrier group. I put my fail zero bolt carrier group in here for my previous build, and I also switched out the buffer spring for a mil-spec buffer spring. My previous buffer spring was a Spikes Tactical. So I checked the gas system and everything seemed fine. So we're going to try it, and I have 4 different magazines. I have a GI 20 round PMag, 30 round PMag, and then a Bulgarian 40 rounder that we're going to try. So we're just going to go ahead and feed this up and see what happens. Okay, it's fed. Safety's off, we're ready to go. Now, that did hold open, whereas the other time it did not, so that's good. That's a good thing. Let's try it with the next mag. This is a 20 round PMag. Safety's off. Now, this one did hold open, however, didn't eject it the best. I'll look at that later. .30 round PMag. Same deal there. It didn't. It locked back, but didn't eject it the best. Now we're going to try this Bulgarian bad boy, this IK 520. And again, I don't know why I'm having the failure to eject. I may have to take a look at that on the bolt. So that is definitely something I'll have to take a look at. So I'm going to feed up some more ammunition into some of these mags and see how it goes a little bit faster. So I got a few rounds now. I'm just going to see if we'll get it to reload a little bit better than last time. Failure to eject and failure to feed. Try it again. Same issue, failure to eject and failure to feed. So I'll do this one more time. And exact same issue, failure to eject, failure to feed. So, more troubleshooting, but at least we have the bolt holding back now. It's a little bit better, and it does seem to be running slightly smoother. So continue to be subscribed, stay tuned. I'll get this bad boy working and we'll figure it out together. Take it easy guys, see ya. It is really cold out here.